Massive Bitcoin breakout. Let's check out the critical levels. Smash those likes if you haven't already and hit that subscribe. So let's check it out, guys. Bitcoin has been pumping the last couple of hours here, breaking above 43,000. So where are we headed? Well, let's jump out to the daily here. Let's take a quick little look here. As you guys can see, this is the range for December, a range that I've been keeping a close eye on. We have a pivot from April 22nd, from April 2022, right? We broke above it, trying to hold this as support. This is a level of resistance here, the point of control for the monthly range that we just ended, right? The range for January has barely even started, but the point of control here is also at 43,729. We're getting a bit of a rejection here on the daily off of that level. If we break above this point of control and regain this level here, the next target is 44,115. We need to break above this area and break above the range of December to mean that, hey, we are going to potentially start making some moves to the upside, right? If we do regain this level of 44,100, the next target area, the next big kahuna is this 46,300. It is a range from back in 2022 that we have been stuck in, that we have not revisited yet, but it's a massive range that we're going to have to revisit and break through some key levels there. That's going to be massive. This range, right, also perfectly lines up with the ETF rumor of 50,000, right? The top of this range is 50,100 and the lower end is 46,000. And you must be thinking, well, why this? Why does it matter, man? Those are massive numbers. How we do? Well, let me get this off the screen here real quick. But a break from this value area high to this value area low is only a 5% pump, and Bitcoin pumps 5% like it's nothing on any news. So if we get an ETF approval this week or next week, we know we're going to break through those levels, right? And then if we do, let's measure from the value area high all the way to 50,000. That is only a 13%, 13.5% move, give or take about 14% move to hit 50,000. So 50,000 is definitely the massive target. I am on a Bitcoin long right now. I longed it from down around here, around this 42,200 area after this bounce. So I am definitely long on Bitcoin. I'm shooting for that 50,000. I think that's where we're going to head with this Bitcoin ETF approval looming right around the corner any second now. Guys, even from where we're at right now to this target is only about 14.5, 15%. That is nothing for Bitcoin in the long term. So if you don't believe that Bitcoin's going to hit 50,000, smash those likes anyways. Drop it in the chat. Let me know in the comments, hey, why do you think it's not going to hit? Another thing I want to quickly show here with you guys is we got the green dot on the market cipher for the daily on Bitcoin. Chart Prime showing that we're starting to pivot to the upside. Got lots of room to run before we are overbought on the daily, which is huge. If we jump down to the 4 hour, could we be a little bit overbought? Yes, we're technically got the first indicator of being overbought with Chart Prime. The momentum wave here is maybe losing some momentum, but the money flow did turn green here. The money flow did turn green. Things can stay very irrational for Bitcoin for a very long time. Remember that, because as this bull market commences, as this ETF commences, you're going to get signals. Things are overbought, things are overheated, but markets can stay very irrational, especially Bitcoin, with these massive amounts of news that's going to drive the market here very shortly. So keep an eye out for that. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't. Drop it in the comments if you think Bitcoin's going to cross 50K with this ETF approval here in the next couple of days. And if you don't, drop it in the comments as well why you don't think it's going to happen. Either way, let me know. Let me know what other altcoins and crypto I should cover here next. So until next time, see ya.